Hello, today we will guide you through how to find your business portfolio ID in Facebook Business Manager. If you need to locate your business portfolio ID inside Meta Business Suite, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the exact path inside the platform so you can find the information you need without getting lost in the menu options. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have access to the business portfolio you want to review. If you manage more than one business, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're viewing the right one before continuing, since the ID shown will belong to the active business portfolio. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look toward the bottom left area of the screen. There, you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the Business Settings area. This section is where Meta keeps the core administrative details for your business account, including account access, permissions, and identifying information. After the settings page opens, direct your attention to the top left portion of the screen. You should see an option labeled Business Info. Click on Business Info to open the details page for that business portfolio. This is the section where your business's key information is displayed. Here, you'll be able to find the business portfolio ID associated with the account you currently have selected. This ID is often used when connecting tools, verifying account details, or sharing account information with support teams or service providers. So it's helpful to know exactly where it lives. If you don't immediately see the information you expect, take a moment to verify that the correct business is selected in Meta Business Suite, especially if you manage multiple portfolios. Small interface differences can also happen depending on updates to Meta's layout, but the general path remains the same. Open Meta Business Suite, go to Settings, and then select Business Info. That's all it takes to find your business portfolio ID in Facebook Business Manager. Once you've located it, you can copy it or save it for future reference if needed. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped make the process clear and easy to complete.